Hey guys, I want to just go over our 3 day trades here in the London session that we did in the full access 24/7 room. So these are largely trades that we did that were continuation trades from yesterday's trend and kind of what we were doing with the overall um, trend in price action yesterday. Just kind of a continuation of that. So here's dollar lira, euro pound, pound yen. But we could see yesterday the central bank rate decision, pound lira caught a bid, came all the way back. I was trying to play along here, thinking we'd see some follow through in the morning, and it actually broke down where I stopped out of my long, flipped and went short, covered into the lows, and then we got no follow through, and we had a continuation up of the uptrend into the afternoon. So I ended up getting long here, and then I've been long since yesterday. I have a core position, and then I added to it here this morning. You can see that the cycle was up, and then the trend was up. So we added here, took profits into the highs. I still have a position on long, and I think this can make higher highs. I mean, this trend has been very strong. Lira has been absolutely collapsing. However, we did take some profit here into these highs from yesterday, right? Second trade, pound yen, or euro versus the pound, sorry, euro versus the pound. We talked about yesterday that the trend was up, day trade, and then we went through these highs. We said, well, maybe we'll run the stops and then let's see what happens. And we ended up reversing, putting in what we call a bearish engulfing pattern. So we went short here, right here, after this bearish engulfing pattern. And my traders know that that's what we call the right-hand side of the chart. So here, if you were to think of a small near-term trend, day trade trend looks like this. And then it rolled over. So here's the intermediate term cycle here. But within this within this cycle, there's a trend going on like this, right, on the near term. So you can sell it here, go contrarian, you just have to keep your risks smaller. And so I teach my traders how to do that. And then when we get on the right-hand side of the chart, we can be more aggressive. So we sold here yesterday, had a nice profitable trade. We covered into here. And then what I teach also is having a core position. Sometimes the cycle runs out of room, like it did, like it did here. This was their 30-minute cycle. So we captured this day trade in this amount of time. And that was it for the day trade. But then I kept the core position short and was able to capture all of this overnight. All right, but we came in this morning in London and actually shorted right here before the drop. And I guess I can show you why. It was just simply that the 15-minute cycle was down. So I can bring this up. The 15-minute cycle had just turned to a down cycle, and we were in the context of this downtrend, so we leaned short, got the break of the lows, and then we covered into these lows here. Actually re-shorted a little bit. I took a break even. Some of my guys might still be short, but that was another nice day trade. And then here we have pound yen. This is a 30-minute chart. It's been in this uptrend. My call was that we could make a higher low here after retracing about 50% of this move. So the way that looks, this is a big bullish wall that the bulls built, and about halfway is a good amount of retracement for the market to turn. So right here, you can go back and look at past videos. I said we could make a higher low. And then at that point in time, the idea is to look for a move back towards the 30-day. So you can see this is the 30-day moving average here. And when it starts to hook like that, but when you have price action that goes from here to here, it's a little overdone, right? From the top here to these lows. So the next move is back towards the 30, and that's what we got back here at 143. So that was my call down here, especially after this real money candle right here, that we could go back to 143. So that's kind of played out today. And then if we're looking on the 30-minute, we came into London and this already started to move up. So it made a higher low within the trend, which was bullish. And then this was just a small position size because we kind of missed a lot of the move. But we liked the cycle. We went long right here, right in here, seeing if we could take out these highs. And as soon as we took out that high, I mean, the market just took off. And we took profits into these highs up here. So 3 nice trades. This is my active trader room and what it looks like. You guys can visit the site, anyone that's new. My website's jenkinsrm.com. And you can put in your email and get into our chat room for free. But then this is my paid active trader membership. It's only $150 a month, and I signal probably a dozen different day trade, intermediate term, and long-term trades a day. A dozen, sometimes 2 dozen alerts. So I just show you guys in real time here. This is this morning at 3:30. I started talking about pound yen. So you can see that was way back over here this morning, seeing this price action here, 142.20, right? 142.20-ish. 142.21. I said I'm eyeing a long day trade, waiting on the 5-minute. Here's what I was signaling: another add and a buy on the dollar lira. And then here's me taking profits into the high with the move. Here's our pound yen trade. So 42.21, then I bought right here above 42.21. Took some into new highs and then took into the top of the move. That was good for over 68 pips. Here's me signaling a core short on the Aussie. This is a swing line setup on the daily chart. And on and on and on. Euro versus the pound. There's our day trade short. All right, so this is the type of results that we get, guys. All right. And all the power has to do, this is pound yen, small position. But this is what we do all day, every day, and it's not just about me, it's about the model and the model that I built and why it works so well. So it doesn't really matter day trade or longer term, a wealth type of play or an investment. We can trade those positions too. Anyhow, so if you want to find out more about us, please visit the site, jenkinsrm.com. I'll be doing a free webinar tomorrow at 1 Eastern. It'll be pretty laid back. We'll just be talking about markets. If you have questions about what I do or the trading team, that's a great time to kind of pop in and say hello. And then our services right here. This is the real-time alerts product I was just mentioning, just showing, and this is our full access trading team. So this is my core group of traders. It's a one-time fee, and then you basically I coach you on our trading model. I teach you the trading model. I give you the real-time alerts product. We have a live trading room. Once you go through the training, you're on the team. We all trade together. Pretty much any market, 24/7. All right, and then if you don't think the trading team's for you, you're just interested in learning the model or educational type of stuff, we have an on-demand course here, 9 hours of video. Kind of go at your own pace, and that's $14.95. But I just encourage you to get in touch with us or come into the chat room and see what we're all about. Other than that, maybe I'll do a market update here, guys, closer to the stock open. All right. Talk to you a little later.